Welcome. Today we explore the teachings of Buddhism to uncover a life of deeper peace and meaning. We'll discover the heart of Buddhism, path followed by millions over millennia. Buddhism began over 2,500 years ago with Siddhartha Gautama, a prince who renounced his royal life in search of truth. After years of meditation, he attained enlightenment, becoming the Buddha, the awakened one. His teachings focus on understanding the nature of life and the mind. At the core of Buddhism are the Four Noble Truths. The first is dukkha, the truth of suffering. Life is often marked by dissatisfaction, pain, and impermanence. This isn't pessimistic but realistic, acknowledging that suffering is part of our human experience. The second noble truth is samudaya, the origin of suffering. The Buddha taught that suffering arises from craving and attachment. We cling to pleasure, avoid pain, and yearn for things to be different. This craving keeps us trapped in a cycle of dissatisfaction. The third noble truth is nirodha, the cessation of suffering. The Buddha offered hope by teaching that it's possible to end this cycle of suffering. By letting go of our attachments and desires, we can experience peace, known as nirvana, a state of liberation and freedom from suffering. Fourth noble truth is magga, the path leading to the cessation of suffering. This is the Noble Eightfold Path, practical guide to ethical living, mental discipline, and wisdom. It's a path of balance, helping us navigate life's challenges with mindfulness and compassion. The Noble Eightfold Path includes right understanding, right intention, right speech, right action, right livelihood, right effort, right mindfulness, and right concentration. These principles are like spokes on a wheel, each supporting and reinforcing the others. Buddhism also emphasizes karma and rebirth. Karma is the law of cause and effect, where our actions, words, and thoughts shape our present and future experiences. Rebirth is the belief that the energy of our actions continues beyond this life, influencing future existences until enlightenment is achieved. Meditation is central to Buddhist practice. It helps us develop mindfulness, awareness of the present moment, and concentration, leading to deeper insights into our minds and the world. We learn to calm the mind, observe our thoughts, and cultivate compassion. Buddhism is not just beliefs, but a way of life. It offers tools for living more mindfully, dealing with stress, and cultivating inner peace. It's a path that encourages us to look within, understand the root causes of suffering, and transform our minds and hearts. Whether you're new to Buddhism or seeking to deepen your understanding, this journey is one of self-discovery, compassion, and wisdom. It invites us to live with greater awareness, kindness, and peace. Thank you for joining me, Curious Buddhist. Until next time, may you be well, may you be peaceful, and may you be happy.